the south side of Chicago is the baddest part of town. And if you go down there, you better just be aware of the man named Leroy Brown. Now Leroy's more than trouble. You see, he stand about 6'4". All these downtown ladies call him treetop lover. All the men just call him sir. And he's bad, bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole downtown. Better than old King Kong, meaner than the junkyard dog. Now Leroy is a gambler, and he likes his fancy clothes, and he likes to wave his diamond ring under everybody's nose. He's got a custom Continental, he's got an Eldorado too. He's got a 32 gun in his pocket for fun. He's got a razor in his shoes. And he's bad, bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole downtown. Better than old King Kong, meaner than the junkyard dog. Well, it's Friday, but a week ago Leroy shooting dies. And at the edge of the bar saw a girl named Doris, and oh, she looked nice. Well, he cast his eyes upon her, and the trouble soon began. Leroy Brown learned a lesson about messing with the wife of the jealous guy. And he's bad, bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole downtown. Better than old King Kong, meaner than the junkyard dog. Well, the two men took to fighting, and when they pulled them from the floor, Leroy looked like a jigsaw puzzle without a couple of pieces gone. And he's bad, 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 bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole downtown. Better than old King Kong, meaner than the junkyard dog. Better than old King Kong, meaner than the junkyard dog.